Hello everyone and welcome back to the Carghost channel, and in today's episode I just got a package from FCP Euro. I purchased some maintenance items, namely transmission maintenance. You gotta maintain your transmission, and you gotta change fluids and gaskets and stuff like that every about 30,000 miles, so mine is due for that. I chose FCP Euro because they have lifetime warranty on all their parts, and whenever it's time for replacement, I think they're just gonna send me another set of these in another 30,000 miles. But let's see what's inside. A lot of packing stuff. By the way, Slate is in there ready to go on the left, so we can change these things. And we have 5 liter of liquid moly transmission fluid right there, and inside are all the gaskets and parts that we need, I guess. There we go, plugs. Alright, and here we have all the packing list. Alright, let's put this back in and go inside and change everything.
Clean oil.
So first thing we do is unscrew the plug and drain the transmission fluid, and as the mechanic said, the transmission fluid looks cleaner, so not terrible, and it's almost done. Another thing, before he removed the plug for the oil, he disconnected these two cables and put them right on top of there. See, that's one and that's the other one. These are the, I guess, sensors for the transmission. They are connected right in there, these two plugs. Put the plug back in?
Yes.
Very good.
Tied it. I'll take out the oil pan.
What are the bolt size? T10?
This is torque. T30.
T30?
Yes.
Taking down the oil pan.
Yes. And by the way, pop out the filter, so the filter doesn't splash you.
While you're taking off the oil pan, you're taking the oil filter.
Yes. Pull the oil out.
So this is the oil, the old gasket and the oil pan and the old oil filter that we're gonna replace.
Clean the oil pan with a nice rag. You can also wash it if you like it. There is a magnet place inside to collect metal pieces, so they don't go into your training. And I think they fell off for many reasons.
You clean the magnet too? Or?
You can clean it, everything. It's very easy. If you like, you can bake pizza.
Nice. Looks like pizza pan.
Yes.
It's not pizza, it's DiGiorno.
Nice and clean. Beautiful. Okay.
Once the pan is nice and clean, we put the new gasket that we bought from FCP Euro on the side of the pan.
And we go and install the filter.
Yeah, and we install the new transmission filter.
Always first feed the front side into the hole, heat it and clip it in. Put the pin up. Get one screw in.
What is it?
That's a shield that covers the transmission plug. In this case it's not leaking, so we don't have to change it. Usually it's leaking there, so when you see a leak of oil from there, you change the plug too.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Now we just plug it back in and put the fluid?
Yes. Lower it down, put the cover back on, top up the fluid, and that's it. Job is done.
Very good. Alright, plug it back in.
Put the cover back on. Plastico fantastico.
Shield is back on, and now it's time to put the car back down on the ground and put the automatic transmission fluid. Alright, so this right here is on the other side of that funnel, and it's the where you fill up your transmission fluid. FCP will send us new one, so after we're done filling up the transmission fluid, we're gonna replace it. So the job was very simple. Take the automatic transmission fluid out, clean up the pan, install the new filter, and then close everything up, reinstall the plugs of the transmission, fill up with the automatic transmission fluid, put the new cap on. All good. Very simple thing if you have a lift or some jack stands, and I think everybody can do it themselves. I didn't because I needed to learn how, but next time I'll attempt doing it myself. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Until next time, have a great day. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that. Bye.